Come see Ireland's most famous attraction from an alternative perspective. Trust me, it is an experience you won't want to miss. The adventure begins in Doolin, a town known for being the gateway to the Cliffs of Moher, attracting well over 1 million visitors each year. It's a small town with a big heart, known for its colourful streets, warm hospitality and unbeatable location. And most visitors will head straight to the Cliffs of Moher Visitor Centre, but if you ask me, the real magic starts out at sea. Doolin Ferry are the only company that offers standalone Cliffs of Moher boat tours, allowing passengers to get up close and personal with Ireland's leading tourist attraction and get pictures you could never get on land. It's an experience that will truly take your breath away. As you cruise out on the Atlantic, you will see cliffs soar 700 feet above you, putting into perspective just how mighty these cliffs really are. You'll pass by famous landmarks like O'Brien's Tower, Moor's Sea Stack, and the rugged landscapes of Hag's Head. The onboard commentary really brings everything to life, blending local history, fun facts, and even a few movie moments, like that famous scene from Harry Potter. There's also a QR code on board for multilingual guides, so everyone can follow along in real time. And if you have a question, be sure to ask the crew. They love to tell local tales and legends while on board. And keep your eyes peeled. You'll never know what you might see as you cruise on by. From puffins nesting on the cliff edge, dolphins dancing through the waters, this area is home to one of Ireland's largest colonies of cliff nesting birds, over 35 species flying around the landscapes. It's a kind of experience that stays with you, whether you're on a romantic getaway, a family holiday, flying solo, or finally making that friends trip happen. The Cliffs of Moher boat tour will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. And of course, a handful of pictures to take home with you. And the best part of all, it only takes 50 minutes. That's less than an hour for something that you will remember forever, making it so easy to add to your Ireland itinerary. You can even make a day out of it by pairing it with a visit to the Cliffs of Moher Visitor Centre or a trip to one of the 3 Aran Islands. Doolin Ferry, they have you covered. As the boat turns back towards Doolin, take one last look at the cliffs behind you, knowing that you've just seen one of Ireland's most iconic sights from the best possible angle. Tickets book up fast, especially in the summer months, so make sure you book online at doolinferry.com and follow along on their socials for more updates. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to take in the atmosphere of Doolin once you get back. Stay the night, explore Fisher Street, listen to some traditional music, and take in the incredible atmosphere.